Albert Einstein allegedly called this the eighth wonder of the world. It's called compound interest, money that grows by earning interest on interest. Today, we'll break down how it works and how to use it to build wealth. No jargon, simple visuals, real examples, practical steps. First, the principle. Interest earns interest. Then, examples, timelines, and why starting early matters. Compound interest means your interest is added to the principal. Then future interest is calculated on the larger amount. Mathematically, A equals P times 1 plus R to the power of N. A is the final amount, P is the starting principal, R is the rate per period, N is the number of periods. Every period the interest is calculated on the new total, so the balance accelerates over time. That acceleration is the power of compounding. Even small rates compound significantly over many periods. The key drivers are rate, frequency, and time. For example, $1,000 at 5% compounded annually grows to about $1,600 after 10 years and to nearly $2,600 after 20 years. Compounding frequency matters. Monthly compounding yields slightly more than annual compounding, and continuous compounding is the theoretical upper limit. Meet Sarah. She saves $100 a month into an index fund at 7% annual return. Over 30 years, her contributions and compound growth turn modest monthly deposits into a life-changing sum. Meet Mark. He invests $5,000 once at the same 7% return and leaves it alone for 30 years. Sarah contributed $36,000 over 30 years. Mark invested $5,000 once. Their growth patterns differ because of timing and contributions. Watch the timeline. Contributions stack and the growth curve bends upward as interest compounds, with the largest gains arriving later. Real returns vary, fees matter, and taxes can reduce gains. So choose low-cost funds and tax-advantaged accounts when possible. Compare Anna, who starts at 25 and contributes $100 a month for 10 years, then stops. And Ben, who starts at 35 and contributes $100 a month for 30 years without stopping. Both contribute for different lengths of time, but Anna's early start gives her decades of compounding on the balance she built. By retirement, Anna's account is significantly larger because her money had more time to earn interest on interest on interest. Starting early reduces the total you need to contribute for the same final balance. Time multiplies returns. Even small early contributions can outperform larger late contributions because of the exponential nature of compounding. Consistency matters. Regular monthly contributions smooth market ups and downs and keep compounding working. A simple chart shows steady contributions and the rising balance. The longer the streak, the steeper the curve. Automate contributions, minimize fees, and reinvest dividends to maximize compounding's effect. Habits compound too. Use tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks when available to let gains grow without immediate taxes. In short, start early, stay consistent, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Start investing today. Small steps now can lead to big outcomes later.